Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix slow charging issue after update in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy S17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the slow charging issue in your phone, like your phone is charging but very slow. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, I recommend you have to reset your battery statics. So now for this, you have to open your dialer or your phone app here. Now you have to dial a number which is star hash 9900 hash. And once you have dialed, you must see this type interface here. Scroll down. You will see the option of battery stat reset. So basically, to reset your battery statics, just click on reset here. And once you might see this type pop-up message that the battery stat has been reset done, go back or click on this exit button. Now you have to go to your settings, go to battery, go to charging settings here, make sure that these two options are also enabled, like show charge information and fast charging. Once you have done all of these, your issue is now fixed. Now I also recommend before you retry to charge your phone, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and now click on reset icon again to have a restart with your phone. This will also fix your software temporary glitches. And I also recommend that once you have updated your phone, anytime, every time you update your phone, you have to make a restart after an update. So a restart can fix your temporary glitches. So once you have done, your issue will be fixed. Now you can easily charge your phone. I also recommend you have to use original Samsung battery charger or your Samsung original charger, and so you might not get these type errors again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.